Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a stable base. Pour 1/2 cup white glue into a bowl, add 1/2 cup water, and stir until smooth. Then add 1 TSB contact lens solution slowly while mixing. This initiates cross-linking, which sets the polymer network. If you want extra loft, fold in 1 tablespoon shaving cream. This traps air and lightens texture. Once mixed, knead gently until it pulls away from the sides. Make sure to stop early to avoid overactivating, which makes the slime rubbery. Once you have a cohesive slime, you add the cloud component. Sprinkle 1/2 cup of instant snow powder, then knead. The powder absorbs moisture and creates the fluffy, marshmallow-like structure. If the mix feels dry, add a few drops of baby oil or lotion to soften. Conversely, a bit more contact solution tightens it. For extra loft, whip the slime with a hand beater for 10 to 20 seconds. This incorporates air. Make sure to mix in stages so you can control density and prevent collapse. You finish by kneading 2 to 5 minutes until the slime is cohesive, fluffy, and stretches without excessive stickiness. This aligns polymers and distributes snow evenly. Transfer to an airtight container to preserve texture. If it firms over time, add a few drops of water and knead to reactivate the fluff. If it's too runny, add tiny amounts of contact solution. If too stiff, soften with lotion. One key tip: when troubleshooting, adjust in small increments so you don't overshoot and ruin the cloud feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.